Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody is trying to do this right here, but when they're using the parallel drawing line tools, it doesn't work. You've got a sharper turn and a smaller turn. So what we're going to do, we're going to take one of these lines, just get them out of here, and the person was working with 2 inches apart, so we want 8 of them, and it does it perfectly. But if you put a curve onto that line and go to here, it flattens them out as it's going. That's just, I guess that's part of the nature of it. So what you need to do to draw like this, where they're all equal, this one's probably the best example, is just to draw your lines. We're going to set our nudge factor on 2 inches. And we're going to Control D and make a duplicate and Control D. And so now you have all these lines. Now if you look at the shape tool, well, you know what? Let me start from the scratch. Be a little better. Let's take a line. Sorry about that. Let's take a line, doesn't matter what length. Start moving and then hold down your Control button. Grab it with the shape tool, select both nodes, and go right here to convert to a curve, and then go right here to add a node. So now we're going to take our nudge factor still set on 2, Control D and make a duplicate, make as many as you want. Then if you will select them all with your pick tool and then select them with your shape tool, all the nodes are visible, but then select them here and then just start moving one of them and then hold down the Control button and it'll be even. No matter which direction you go, the lines will be more even, especially if you just do a little bit. Let's do it again. Select them all. Go down. I'm holding down the Control button. The Control button restrains me from getting off track just a little bit. If I didn't have the Control button, I could move quite a bit. But as soon as I pop the Control button, it limits me to how much movement. Now, I'd almost be willing to bet they're still not perfect. If we take that line, well, look, it is. It's a perfect copy, where when we did it with the parallel drawing tool, it's not even close. Because it's mimicking that line and keeps changing it. So if you need to make something like this, just turn them into a shape tool and then select all the nodes and move them down. I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.